Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making turned cornmeal, or in Jamaica we say turned cornmeal. I'm using 2 tablespoons margarine. I'm going to melt that, and to that I'll add half cup chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons scallion. Saute that for about 5 seconds. Then add 2 cups coconut milk. Stir that, and to that I will add 2 cups refined cornmeal. This is where the churning begins. Turn it over and over until it thickens, and then once it begins to leave the sides, then add salt to taste. Stir and then turn down the flame. Cover the saucepan and allow that to simmer for about 15 minutes. Remove the cover, stir one more time, and then turn off the flame and allow that to sit for 5 minutes. There you have it, turned cornmeal. Serving that with oxtail and beans. You may serve that with any meat kind you want. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.